How to easily make money online with a membership site. In this brief video I will show you how you can build a membership site with free software. So I have a membership site, it's called Inventicity Membership, and here I am selling templates and photos and stock videos. This membership site is on a WordPress site. WordPress is the best content management system in my opinion. It's the most versatile and best for search engine optimization, and WordPress is free, so I only pay for hosting and for nothing else. I have WordPress here, and WordPress is totally free. And then on this membership site, if we scroll down, we can see that here you can join the membership. Someone clicks here to join the membership, they will be sent to a checkout, and I am hosting this checkout on ConvertKit because they have a free checkout, totally free checkout for memberships. So this is great. And then I have also installed a plugin called WooCommerce, and this is because I want to sell individual products as well, but you don't need to have WooCommerce to have a membership site. And I also have Astra. It's a free theme plugin for WordPress. It's the fastest WordPress theme I have found. The most important part of my membership site is the actual membership software, and I have found something called Ultimate Member, and it is totally free. I have the free version here and it works smoothly, it's perfect in every way, and I use this membership plugin to restrict areas on my membership site. So that's how easy it is to build a membership site with free software. And if you want to take a look at what a membership site looks like when it is built with these free plugins, you can go to my site inventicity.com/content. It is built with WordPress, WooCommerce, ConvertKit, Astra and Ultimate Member.